Are you a fan of Pokemon? If so, you're going to love this video. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to get the new Pokemon Team filter on Instagram. This fun and easy-to-use filter will add some extra excitement to your stories and reels. So make sure to watch this video all the way to the very end to learn how to get the filter for yourself. So first of all, let's go ahead and open up the Instagram application, and then when you are on the Instagram homepage, simply swipe to the right to reveal your camera, and then swipe through these filters at the bottom. At the very end, tap on this option called Browse Effects. And then, when you are in the effects gallery, tap on this search icon at the top right of the screen and simply search for Pokemon Team. And it will show you these results. So go ahead and tap on this first filter, and it will show you what this filter looks like when it's in use. So now what you want to do next is tap on this Try It option at the bottom left of the screen, and it will bring up your front-facing camera. So move your phone closer to your face, and then you can tap and hold the record button, and you will see that it is slowly revealing the Pokemon on your team. After that, you can share this on your Instagram story, and you can also save this filter by tapping on this icon. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments section below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.